With Finally, you can turn complex business data into actionable insights. In this video, you will learn how easy it is to create a report like this one and schedule it for your entire team. First, we will set up our data, then we will explore it using Finally, and finally, we will export, share, and schedule it. And as a bonus, we will see some advanced features at the end. Let's begin at the source. When entering Finally, it will ask you to connect one data source. Remember, the standard or enterprise plans are necessary to connect to databases like BigQuery. Let's connect to GA4, which is available on our free plan. Just click on the GA4 card and go through the Google authorization process. Now you are ready to unleash the full power of Finally with your data. You will be able to see and select your GA4 properties in the chat bar. Later on, I'll show you how you can control what is shown here. Finally can understand all sorts of questions in multiple languages. You can ask it, for example, what it knows about your data. Let's try asking for the engagement rate per country. Finally provides a thoughtful summary of its findings, a table which can be tailored to your needs, like changing its dimensions, date range, sorting, and a map chart of our data, where we can choose our preferred way to visualize it. If we go to the overview section, we can view all conversations made by our team. Let's click on Acquisition Overview. We can see all the questions asked by our coworkers and how Finally answered them. We can update the results and generate a PDF report by clicking on this button. Finally generates a business-ready report over the selected conversation data. If we want our team to periodically receive this report, we can create a schedule. Let's choose when we want our report to generate and to whom we want to send it. Here it is, our scheduled report in our inbox right on time. Now that we know the basics, let's get a lightning overview of some advanced tips and features. Ask Finally for date range comparisons, or set them up manually from the date picker. For marketing data, quick start your exploration with our powerful predefined templates. Check out this template recreating GA3's audience mobile devices. Share your conversations with anyone on the web by clicking on the share button and making it public. Make it easy to find your team conversations by tagging them. Invite your team members and manage their roles and permissions. And manage which properties are available from your data sources by entering the Data Sources tab in the Workspace section. Now, you are ready to get started with Finally. Sign up for free at finally.ai.